So what you need to do is take your pop can boxes and we're going to cut them in half. Now if your kids are like mine and just kind of rip the top out and grab the pop out, you're probably only going to be able to use 1/2. So you're going to need more boxes. But if you're lucky enough and they don't open them, you can just go ahead and cut them down the middle and use both sides. Okay, and then you should have it like that, and you can just go through and cut down the middle. Then go ahead and remove the pop cans from both sides, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so what you're going to do to get the 1/2 to look like these is, you see the line right here that goes across. So you're going to cut it at a diagonal to that line, then cut across it and meet up on the other side going at a diagonal. Okay, there you go. That's what it looks like. Super easy. Okay, so I went ahead and got everything cut, and this is what I'm going to put the dip in the middle. So I went ahead because I wanted to see how much room that actually needed and how many boxes I needed. So it turns out I needed 10 of them. And don't know why I paused to count that, but I did. Anyway, so I needed 10 boxes to go around. I'm gonna do actually gold post too. I think I'm gonna use those out of bendy straws. I still haven't decided yet. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a taco dip for in the middle, so that way we can take all the chips or whatever we want and that are gonna be in here, and we're gonna dip them in. Now, if you are worried about germs, like I am, you can go ahead and line these. Now, some people don't mind that and we'll put the food directly in that, but I think I'm either going to line it with aluminum foil or maybe like a crock pot liner would work. I'm going to check and see what I have available and line that, and then go ahead and put the food in there. So let's keep continuing on. I went ahead and lined them with foil. I was going to do the outside, but you know what? That's just a lot of foil for so many boxes, and it's just going to be a waste. So, but if you want, you could cover the whole thing. I mean, you could even use like wrapping paper, parchment paper, crock pot liners. I mean, there's a variety of things that you can use to line with it, or if you just don't care and you just want to throw them in there, you can just throw the food in the boxes, but that's totally up to you. But yeah, I just kind of stuck the foil inside and just kind of formed it around the inside of the box, and I'm going to finish with the rest of them. Okay, here is the final result of the snack stadium. Now you can add your favorite snacks in there. This is what we're having. We have the mini pretzels, regular pretzels, and tortilla chips, Twizzlers, popcorn, and veggies, and some Doritos, and sour cream and onion chips. And then you just kind of add, like I did, a dip, a veggie dip and a cheese dip in opposite corners, and then added the cans of pop on the other opposites of corner. And I found these little #1 fan, I don't know, little hand things that I kind of stuck to the top of the cans. And then in the center, a lot of people do a guacamole dip. We're not fans of guacamole dips, so I did my famous taco dip. It's 5 layers, and I added the lettuce on top to make it look like a field, and then just used sour cream, the squeezable kind, and just made the lines for the football field. And then the olives kind of as the players. I know it looks like a lot, but it just kind of adds a little touch. And yeah, so that's it.